Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question, guys. Okay, so the question is a GATE CSE 2015 question set 1 question 45. Okay, yes. Okay, so let G is equals to V comma E. So there is a graph with V vertices and E edges. Be a simple undirected graph. Okay, so and S be a particular vertex in the graph called as a source. Okay, so there is a vertex S. Okay, for X belongs to V, let D of X denotes the shortest distance between S to X. Okay, so D of X denotes the distance between X to S. Okay, so this is just a small assumption they are saying. Okay, so a breadth first search is performed starting at S. So basically wherever S is there, from that only we are going to start the breadth first search, guys. Okay, of the tree. Okay, so if U and V, U comma V is an edge of a graph G. Okay, that is not in T. Okay, so means it is in the graph, it is in the graph, but it is not an edge in a tree. So basically let us draw tree here. Let us draw graph here, guys. So S is there, U is there, V is there. So U and V are connected in the graph. Okay, then which one of the following cannot be the value of du minus dv? Okay, so now it makes understanding, right? Yes, so let us draw a simple diagram like this. Okay, so if you draw the order for this, that is nothing but breadth first search from S. So what will be the result, guys? It will be nothing but U and V, right? So you will get in this way. Okay, if you subtract the value of a distance from here to here and here to here, so here also the distance is 1 and here also the distance is 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So hence 0 option is possible, right? Yes, so that is the reason why. So 0 is possible. Okay, similarly we need to check for minus 1, 1 and 2. Okay, so let us check for minus 1 first. So to check for minus 1, let us move this V one more step down. So let us assume our graph as a, okay, so let me make it into a part. Okay, so let us assume our graph in this way. So U, here there is a and here there is a V. Okay, so now the distance between S and V is 2 and the distance between S and U is 1, right? If you subtract, you will get minus 1. Okay, so assume that there is a connection in between these two, guys. Okay, and let us assume for R is, let us assume there is a connection in between this also. So as this is a graph, right? So now whenever you are doing a BFS order from here, okay, so for this what will be the result, guys? Yes, so the next layer you are having U and A. Okay, and in the next layer you are having V. Okay, so let us assume we got this as the result. Okay, yes, so what will be the distance, guys? It is nothing but 1 minus 2. You can get minus 1 also. Okay, so minus 1 is possible. Similarly, take the other case. So basically move this U down and bring that V up. So the graph is S, A and U, and here you are having a V. Okay, so again let us assume in that way, and if you draw the tree for it, BFS tree, it will be in this way, right? Yes. So if you observe here, it is again done layer by layer. Okay, and you can say that the distance is 2 minus 1, that equal to 1. So basically option C is also possible. Hence the only left option is a D. So obviously D will be the answer. So anyway, let us cross check with what will be the issue if the depth is more than 1. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us continue. So if you try with some other value V, let us keep B here and let us keep what we should keep here, guys. So it will be 1, 2, 3 minus 1. Okay, so you should keep U here. Okay, yes. So the one thing that you should remember is always this U and V should be connected, right? Yes. Okay, so if you try to take now depth first search, so what will be the thing, guys? Okay, so first you will visit S. Okay, after that you visit A and V. Okay, so after that what you will visit, guys? After that you can visit B, but after that what you will visit this neighbor, right? So you will visit U, guys, because the distance in between them is 1. Okay, yes. So if you now see, now what is the distance, guys? It is again minus 1 only, right? So the distance between U and V, this is 1, and this is a 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So basically the main issue with this is that there is a direct connection between these two. So if you take any longest distance, if you try to increase the distance, it will indirectly bring this v this side, guys. Sorry, u this side. So that is the reason why 2 is not possible. So now you got an idea, right? So according to our examples, so whenever you are trying to increase the distance of this s to v, you are indirectly, you need to connect this, right? So there is an edge between them, so it is clearly written. So whenever you connect them, if you try to form a breadth first search, you will write s, after that a, after that v. Okay, so after s, after a, you will write b, but for v you need to write u. So basically now u and v are one after the other. So in that situation the distance will not be greater than 2, it will be equal to 1 only, right? Yes. So that is the reason why never your distance will go to 2, guys. So that is the reason why D is the answer. Okay, yes. So I hope you got a clear idea about it, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture with the next question. Okay, yes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.